Hello students, continuing our discussion on solving few more number of problems on beams. We will start this session with this particular problem available in this particular sheet. As per the problem definition, you have to find out maximum deflection and internal loads for a cantilever beam subjected to two kinds of loads, one UDL of magnitude 10 kN per meter and a point load of 100 kN applied at the free end as shown schematically. Given Young's modulus E equals 70 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meter square and mass moment of inertia I equals 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter to the power 4. The solution to this problem starts with writing down FER. That is, since it consists of only two nodes, one at the left end, one at the right end, and no nodes are present in the middle. That is, all of you students have to remember this important point. Wherever there is application of a point load, you have to create a node. Important point will be repeated once again. Wherever there is an application of a point load, you have to create a node. As per this statement, since the point load is applied at the free end, that is the rightmost end of the cantilever beam, so one node will be at the right end and one node will be at the left end. Thus, as per FER, there are two nodes 1 and 2 with displacements Q1 vertical, Q2 angular for node 1 and Q3 vertical displacement, Q4 angular displacement related to node 2. When these nodes are joined together, you are going to get one element E1. Length of the element between the nodes 1 and 2 is LE.